My dear friends, this is Santi Ghosh. This video will be very unique and exciting. You will get many information and updates. So please watch the video till the end. Welcome my dear friends. First unique thing is technology. OnPassive has adopted the most advanced technology, that is the artificial intelligence and machine learning. We have AI powered digital technology in the field of video conferencing, e-learning, virtual assistants, chatbot, digital marketing, digital wallet, social media, and many more. My dear friends, you are having a question in mind. These products are available. Yes, my dear friend, these products are available in market. But what OnPassive is offering, this is unique products and each product is having a uniqueness. It is based on AI powered digital technology, latest, and these products are selected based on many research and what people want in the market. The prevailing products available is based on the old technology. It may be 5 years old, 10 years old. I'll give an example, live example like video conferencing tool. One tool I'll explain. You know Zoom, and people are using a Zoom for their webinar, video conferencing, for communication. They are having the old technology, my dear friend. Like if you speak in English, everybody should understand English, otherwise they are not able to understand. But in our product in video conferencing, that is OConnect, we are having multilingual features. Up to 100 language people can listen and watch the video conferencing on their own language, my dear friend. If you speak in English, it can be converted into any language, Japanese, German, Hindi, like that. Other products also having uniqueness, all are AI powered, my dear friends. Now, second uniqueness, digital solutions in one place. My dear friends, whatever products, tools available in the market, they are not in one place. It is scattered. You have to buy from many companies, and you have to integrate yourself if you want to earn from the digital world or internet world. But OnPassive, it is in one place, even single sign-on. So we are having, my dear friends, 50 plus AI powered digital products of high demand and high market value. I'll just give few examples. What is the global market size of these products? I'll give 3 examples like e-learning, online education. It is growing at very rapid rate. In 2020, it was 250 billion US dollar, my dear friend. 1 billion US dollar is equivalent to INR 7,500 crores. By 2027, it will be $1 trillion, that's $1,000 billion marketplace. Video conferencing tool. In 2021, it is $9.2 billion market. By 2026, it will be 22.5 billion US dollar market, my dear friend. So it is growing rapidly. Digital marketing. Now this total marketing system from physical to it has become digital. and it is growing at very rapid rate. 2021, $56.5 billion. By 2028, it will be $180.2 billion, my dear friend. I have compiled this data available from internet and from the research organizations, my dear friend. Now, next uniqueness on passive, it is built for masses to uplift humanity. My dear friend, only few people are earning from internet. That too, they are having the knowledge and skill and techniques, and they spend money to earn. My dear friends, this founder position upon passive is for common people. This is the first time in history, never happened. You know, billion-dollar companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, they are having one or two or few founders. Even any company, if you see, you will find only few founders. But on passive case, it is for the masses. My dear friend, objective is to provide income opportunities from internet world to common people worldwide so that get a sustainable income. My dear friend, people from all social strata, doctors, engineers, IT professionals, teachers, millionaires, students, management professionals, lawyers, housewives, workers, housemaids, blind people, even handicapped people, transgender people, underprivileged people, all are joined and they are in our founder community. Our founders count as of today is 8,80,000. My dear friend, will be touching million. Now, we'll discuss about the strength of entrepreneurship. My dear friend, this is a global IT company having 50 plus AI powered digital products. Offices, we are having office in USA, Orlando, India, Hyderabad, and it is opening in Singapore, Dubai, and other strategic locations. Leadership, Mr. Ash Mufareh, he is our CEO and founder. He is MIT, Master in Information Technology. He has done courses on internet market income opportunities from Harvard. He is having 20 plus years of experience in this digital and IT fields. He knows how to attract traffic, how to convert it, and he is a successful person in this field, and he is having a very good heart. Whatever income is coming, he wants to distribute to the people through this unique platform, revolutionary platform, so that people will get income. Now, my dear friends, we are global and we are having worldwide leadership council members. We are having 65 plus leadership council members representing their own countries. We are having IT experts 700 plus, and our recruitment is on. Within few months it will touch 1000 plus. We are having legal experts 1800 plus, because IT business is having many legalities. Moreover, we are a global company, so we have to comply all the legal formalities of individual countries. That's why our legal expert teams are 1800 plus, my dear friend. It is launching in 200 plus countries soon, and there will be global mega event. It is estimated and it will achieve super unicorn status in first anniversary itself. Super unicorn company, $100 billion market value if you achieve within 10 years, but within a year will be achieving this status, my dear friend. Now we'll discuss about founders benefits. Founder position is a once in a lifetime opportunity. This is the golden opportunity, my dear friend. Founder value, if you see, it is priceless. You cannot buy with any price, but you are getting this founder position at a price of $97, my dear friend. This price is very, very nominal, so that any common man can avail this facility. There will be another fee of about $250. It will be between $100 to $250, and it will be decided. But if you take example $250, it is a one-time product package cost or subscription cost, my dear friend. That's all you have to pay from your pocket as a founder, nothing else. This will provide you the lifelong residual income through your website, created, operated and maintained by on passive on autopilot mode, AI powered, backed by IT experts, legal experts, everybody, and our leadership strength. My dear friend, the pay plan, it will be unique. It is based on smart and dynamic pay plan, not as a matrix or level as you are seeing in MLM company, my dear friend. This is not a MLM company. This is purely an IT company, my dear friend. Thank you, my dear friend. I have finished in this video whatever I want to communicate. If you need more information on this, please put a comment. I will upload video based on your choice. Thanks, my dear friend.